If you're using Windows 11, then you probably know that now Windows 11 supports zip and RAR file extraction. And if you're using Windows 11 24H2, which is the latest recent version of Windows 11, it can also compress into 7Z or tar file, which is kind of equal to RAR file, I guess. But most common ones are 7Z or the RAR files, but it supports extraction plus compression. But guess what? This thing is slow, like really slow. So here is a little demo. This is a 200 megabytes of file, a zip file. I'm gonna extract this using the Windows 11's built-in extractor, right? And look at this. It's only 200 megabytes and it takes almost like 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe it's not a big deal for you, but now let me show you guys this. Okay, I'm gonna use something else. It is called NanaZip. Okay, I'm gonna extract it. Extract here. Okay, boom, it's done. Okay, let me actually try to do this one more time. I'm gonna go and select that. This time I'm gonna select the file name and it will create a folder. It will be much faster. This time I won't get any prompt and it's just done. We have other alternatives. Okay, we have 7ZIP, which is really popular, free and open source thing, but that thing is old. It doesn't even support the right click menu of Windows 11. Okay, it doesn't appear here. You have to click on show more option, like, show more option, and then it will show you the 7ZIP. I don't know about the WinRAR because it's been a while. I haven't touched WinRAR. I have been using 7ZIP actually till I found out about this software, NanaZip. This thing is actually much better than the 7ZIP. The only reason is that it fits with the Windows 11. I mean, you right click, you have the option here. Okay, it gets added to the modern Windows 11 right click menu, plus it is super fast as the 7ZIP. It is based on 7ZIP actually, and it's also free and open source. The only difference here is that it's modern and it is being developed constantly, unlike the 7ZIP. 7ZIP's development is kind of slow, maybe not that slow, but it still doesn't have that new look. It doesn't even fit with the Windows 10 look. I feel like it's still in like Windows XP era in look and feel. So if you're on Windows 11, don't rely on Windows 11's extractor or compressor because it's really slow. And if you are using 7ZIP, you should switch to NanaZip or NanaZip. I don't know how do you pronounce it, but whatever it is actually better than the 7ZIP and WinRAR. Okay, let's not even talk about WinRAR. It's been a while. I mean, it's been almost like 5 to 6 years. I haven't touched WinRAR because that software is actually really popular. But I like free and open source stuff, as you guys know, as much as possible. And I have finally switched from 7ZIP to NanaZip, which is basically a 7ZIP, but more modern. And it fits with the Windows 11. Yeah, that's it. You can download this from the GitHub page. You can go to releases, you can download this file, or you can go to the Microsoft Store. Here you can click on download and it's going to download, or you can just straight go to the Microsoft Store and search for NanaZip, and I have already installed it. And look at the rating, 4.8 out of 5. This thing is actually good. Okay, people love this, and I also love this. When it was first introduced to the Windows 11, I thought that now we don't need WinRAR or 7ZIP because it's in here, but it looks like we still need third-party softwares because it's really slow. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.